me, KristinCena. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be running through my new skincare purchases, and at the same time I'm gonna be putting on skincare and makeup. So this is more of like an informal video in my channel. Oh, here is the box. I got all these purchases. I've got all these items from nudyglow.com. If you have been in my channel or maybe have seen any one of my videos, you know that I'm really into skincare, and also my face isn't like this. Before, I have like really big pimples, and now it's going really way better than before, which is I'm happy about. So here's the box, guys. I've got the receipt. So, oh no, I did not buy it from Nudyglow. It's from Let's Face It. Let'sfaceit.com. No. Let'sfaceit.net.au. And also, guys, as I run through all these products, let me know if you've used any of these, if you liked it, what are your thoughts about it, and also that's the makeup that I'm gonna be doing. Maybe give me some suggestions or whatever. First, I'm gonna be showing you this one. I bought this Benton Deep Green Tea Lotion, as I really am planning to use another moisturizer. So here is what I think is gonna be good for me. This has green tea, which is really good as antioxidant, as well as keeping your skin clear. As you can see, I suffer from blemishes from my past pimples, and from time to time I always have pimples. So here is the bottle, guys, and this is 120 ml. Okay, it is kind of hard to get the lotion. I kind of not liking the packaging. The plastic is too hard to squeeze. It's kind of like, look at that. But yeah, you really need to put a bit of an effort to put this product. The next product I'm gonna be showing you, this is the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. This is like a holy grail for some people. I've heard so much about this. Klairs is really a popular Korean brand. So here it is, guys. It comes in a glass bottle, very simple, and most serums, from what I can see, I'm not gonna open this because I'm not sure when I will be using this. As from what I can see here, it's pretty liquid. It's kind of like water. So it seems that the moisturizer already sinked in my skin. It's actually a little bit tacky, but I don't have a problem with that. So next one I have here, Klairs, the popular sunscreen, I think, out there in the market, is this Klairs Soft Airy UV Essence. This is SPF 50+, PA+++, broad spectrum, water-based, vegan friendly. This is 80 ml. So currently my sunscreen is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Fluid. This is 40 ml, so like twice the size. You know what? I really like the packaging of the Klairs. It's really like a holographic, as you can see. Here it is. I really can't wait to use this, to get the try firsthand. And from now on, this is gonna be my sunscreen. Okay, so it came out a little bit, there's like a hint of yellow tint in this one. I really thought it's just white. Yeah, I was expecting it to be white. So let me put it. You know what, guys, never ever forget to put on sunscreen. Sometimes I become too lazy, but I have to bear in mind that the sun is gonna be there, and it's not gonna be lazy on putting on UV rays on my skin. So let us protect our skin against the sun. This is not giving me a cast or anything. You know what? It's like I've just had moisturizer or something. This is really good. I do hope none of those are gonna be giving me negative reaction. Next item that I bought is this Asic collection acne patch. So you put this right after you wash your face. It has different sizes, small, medium, large. If you have a really huge pimple, then this patch is gonna be good for you. And also, even though you have small pimples, sometimes I have pimples like really in groups, so maybe I could use the large one in just one area. So this is from CosRX. I know if you've really been into skincare, you've already heard about this new product from CosRX. It comes in these two pieces. Here's the large and the small and the medium here. Okay, so I can't wait to use this, though I do not pray. I don't pray that I will have pimple, like a big pimple. I have like small one here, but very, very small. But I don't pray. But in any case that I'm gonna have pimple, then I'm gonna have something for my rescue. So now let me, since I've already put on sunscreen, it's not time for me to put on the J1 Jelly Pack primer. That primer is very tacky, and also it didn't give me any reaction because sometimes primer could give you pimples. And next is I have another primer. I sometimes use two primers because that one is kind of like firming and like tacky for the foundation, but it does not help for my pores, even though it claims to be pore smoothening. I have here Poreless face primer. It is silicone based, so it's really gonna fill in. Oh wow, I don't have any more. Oh, that's sad. I've already run out. So I have really big, as you can see, it kind of blurred out my pores there. I have here Maybelline Superstay. Oh, by the way, this look is like my everyday look, okay? I'm not that amazing in makeup. I always watch YouTube tutorials, but some people are really that gifted in doing makeup. I'm just an ordinary person. By the way, I still have some products here that I'm gonna be showing you later on. Let me just put on my foundation first. I am in shade 34 Soft Bronze. So I'm gonna be using this Style Pro S101. Though I am used to this Real Techniques one, I kind of, I just discovered that I kind of liking this better. So I'm not gonna be putting too much. So as you can see, just with one application of the foundation, it kind of really covered most of my blemishes. This part right here, it's peeking through, so we're gonna be adding a little bit in that area. As much as possible, I'll try to put a little bit of foundation. So kind of like just focus more on those parts where I can still see my blemishes. Next is concealer, still a Maybelline. This is their Instant Age Rewind. I'm gonna be putting this here to really define my brows because I have not plucked it or shaped it. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm just gonna be putting a little bit of that. Sometimes I don't like to put it directly onto my skin, so what I do, I kind of like put it on my hand, and that way I kind of feel like I've just put really lightly on my skin and kind of just give it a bit of brighter skin, make it a little bit bright, but that's it. I don't make it too much. So I'm gonna be setting the concealer. I'm gonna be tapping this lightly. This is the banana setting powder from Bella Pierre. So using the same brush that I use for the setting powder, I have here BH Cosmetics number 4. I'm gonna be having this sleek makeup. I got this from Look Fantastic subscription box. I'm gonna be using this contour right here, kind of give a bit of definition. I'm not gonna be putting on eye makeup since this is like a simple look. Still the same contour. I'm gonna be putting it a little bit here, my jaw. Next, I'm gonna be using this BH Cosmetics number 2. I'm gonna be putting some blush on my cheeks. I like this one. This is from Pixie and in shade Beach Rose. So I use this for everyday use actually because it's not pink. You know, it's not really obvious. So it kind of really gives me just that glow that I need. But sometimes I put too much. I have here a Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. This is the green one. This is their mint variant. So the thing about this, guys, this is my second purchase. I am using this one, so I almost ran out of it, so I have the backup. I like this powder. Guys, if you have oily skin, I think you better try this one. It really is good in controlling my oiliness on my face. So whenever I use this, it gives me like an extra hour of not having oily skin because my skin really just oils up pretty quickly. So yeah, let me just pat this, and yeah, that's what I use as my powder. I use the same brush that has a bit of a blush, but you cannot see that much of blush anyway. So if you have noticed, if you have not noticed, I guess you haven't noticed, I've already done my eyebrows. I don't know how to shape it honestly, but I just kind of filled in the sparse area. If I don't need to really have a really long lasting makeup, like if I don't need to be out for a really long time, I don't need the setting spray. I just use this Nature Republic Soothing Gel Mist. So kind of use it like a skincare as well as setting spray. I have here a beauty water from Sun & Park, and if you're another one who really loves Korean skincare, I'm pretty sure you've heard about this. So I bought this one, guys, because there are times that I want to clean my face, and I think this is the best thing. I think if it's not gonna give me negative reaction. And for the last item, no more from the box, I have here this supple preparation from Claire's. Woohoo! Guys, it's so cute. This is in 30 ml, just enough, I think. It's like barely enough for 2 weeks to find out if this is a good toner for me. That's the only toner that I bought for this purchase. Next, I'm gonna be putting this Paradise Ecstatic from L'Oreal on my lashes. Still on the Sleek palette, I'm gonna be using the highlighter that is in the palette. So I'm gonna be putting that here just to give a bit of shine. I have here a Mellow Cosmetics. This is a lip pencil and in shade Aria. So for the lipstick, I will use the So Susan Cosmetics Liquid Matte. This is in shade Pumpkin. So instead of putting it directly, I kind of feel like wanting to just put very lightly using a brush. I don't usually do this, but I'm gonna do this anyway. This is now my finished look, guys. This is what I really do every single time, except that I change lip color and also I put on eyeshadow sometimes, but pretty much this is it. And that was my mini Korean skincare haul also. So yeah, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.